Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download a video from Facebook, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download a video from Facebook, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, I want you to open your Facebook. And after you opened your Facebook, next, I want you to find the video that you want to download. In my case, I will just find a video on the videos section. So let's say that this is the video that you want to download, for example. So to do that, first, I want you to tap the share button. And after tapping it, I want you to swipe this to the right until you find the copy link button. Once you've found it, just go and tap it to copy the link of the video. So now that you have the link of the video, next, I want you to go to your Google Chrome. Once you're on your Google Chrome, I want you to search for this. And after searching, you will then be directed to this website. So this website is where we will download the video. So to do that, you just need to paste the link of the Facebook video that you copied earlier right here. And after pasting the link, tap the download button. And after that, you can now choose the quality that you want for the video. And once you've chosen, tap the download button. And after that, your video will now start downloading, so just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, the video will now be saved to your gallery. Let's go and check it. And there it is guys, as you can see, the video has been successfully downloaded and saved to my gallery. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.